bunch of box of mushrooms.
Yeah. But if we had a green screen, you could totally do this.
And it fell.
A shirt on you.
How do you say you did?
And it's like a green screen, and you could act like you're watching holding my hand. Oh. Oh.
I thought you were going to hold her.
I wanted to see if she could balance.
Oh, she does. She does. It's just that it has a lot of little branches sticking out.
Let me rip off an entire piece.
No, don't rip it off. Leave it there where it belongs. Leave it there, honey.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I did it!
Now you can hold on to that, Serena.
Back! Let's build this into
Not
something.
open!
Will you bolt the thing? It's rotten. Oh, that scared me.
Carlos, let's go, guys.
We broke the tree.
No, you didn't break it. It was already like that. Don't you see it falling on the ground? All right, let's go. Let's go. Wait for me, okay? Let me see your little Christmas tree. Oh, let me get out the way. There's someone coming.
I'm gonna throw it.
Oh, that's cute. Let me see what you found, Carlos. Carlos.
It's like a brush!
Let me see what's inside.
So you just made him stop. He was probably trying to go straight through, honey.
Let's see what is inside.
Don't do
Nothing.
that. Carlos.
Oh, it looks so cool.
Let me see.
So cool.
It's a brush!
Are you taking anything home?
I know